Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your CorelDRAW workspace. Remember, you can reset the entire software and you can also reset only the workspace. So if you launch your CorelDRAW application and you discover that your welcome screen is showing blank, which is supposed to show the recently opened files or a preview of your recently opened designs, but it is not showing, I have made this tutorial to solve that problem. Now, there are different ways you can achieve that. If you want to reset the whole application, you can do that by using your F8 key. But I'm not here to use function key F8 to reset this software because I only want to reset just the interface so that our welcome screen will display. Okay, if you want to learn how to use the function key F8 to reset the whole software, I've made a tutorial relating to this. I'll put the link in the description below and around this video or tutorial so you can click and watch. It's the same format. Now I'm going to show you how you can reset only the workspace. First of all, when you open and you see your interface is displaying blank like what is showing on your screen, like everywhere is blank instead of your welcome screen, make sure you've turned on your welcome screen option before you do anything. How will you do that? Now you move to where you have your tools menu. For example, just like you showing me this blank screen here, you see file, you see tools menu, you see window, and you see help. Okay, now move to where you have your tools menu. Okay, click on tools menu. Irrespective of your version, it is going to work. Click on tools menu. When you click on tools menu, click on CorelDRAW. As you highlight tools menu, click on it, move to CorelDRAW, click on it. You see this your workspace, you see appearance, you see general, you see other options here. Now move to where you have general, click on general once. Now you see your getting started dialog box as your general. Okay, where you have on CorelDRAW, depending on the version you're using, you see the version there to show you startup. What that means is that whenever you launch your CorelDRAW, what should display. So make sure you click where you have these your drop down welcome screen. You see your start a new document, you see open an existing document. Down in some versions, higher versions, you see do nothing. Whatever is selected is what will display when once you on or launch your CorelDRAW interface. So make sure you click on welcome screen, click on it. Now if you come down to where you have your show new document dialog box, depending on your version, tick that box. If you have show welcome screen button on tab or tab button, still tick it. If you have higher version, you only see show new document dialog box. Just make sure that is ticked. Okay, then you click on OK. So if you've done that and you close the application, you open again, it is not still showing you that welcome screen. This is the easiest way to solve that problem. Okay, this is what you do. Close the application. Okay, when you close the application, this is what you are going to do. On your keyboard, press your Windows key R, Windows key plus R. You will have this command prompt. Okay, now I'm not after whatever is written here. For some of you, this is what is written here because this is the last command key you used here. For some persons, you might see different things. Some will be CMD and the rest. Okay, now let me erase it. Backspace. Good. You see where you have this open. Remember, this is your own command box. Where you have open here, hold down shift key, put percentage. Have you seen? Now what you type is app data. As you can see, mine is already showing because I've used it before. Click again, percentage. This is it. Then click on OK. Once you click on OK, have you seen? It will open this your environment here. Okay, this has to do with all the apps you've opened. It's trying to tell you that this is a backup of it. Okay, as you can see, you see Adobe because I have some softwares from Adobe. Then you see other ones here. Then you see Corel. Click on Corel, double click on Corel. Now these are all the versions of CorelDRAW you have. I have the 2018, which I use to lecture beginners. I have 2024, which I also upgrade, when we have reached a certain level, I'll migrate you to a higher version, and also 2026, which I'm using currently as of the time I made this video. Okay, now as you can see, anyone that I want to reset, that is what I'm going to work on. Take for instance 2026 CorelDRAW is not displaying that welcome screen. Okay, even when I've turned on my welcome screen option, okay, I'll just click on this folder once and I'll press delete key on your keyboard. Just press delete. Once you delete it, it is going to go off. Now you're already resetting the workspace alone. You're not going to delete any file. You're not going to, reset the whole interface. It is just your workspace. But once you delete this folder, depending on the version you want to reset, it is going to disappear. Okay. When it disappears, you can now close and come back to your CorelDRAW and launch it again. When you launch it, you should be able to see the interface of your CorelDRAW showing you your recently opened files like this. So you've only resetted the workspace, not the full program. Don't know if you understand. If you don't understand, you watch again, you will understand and you follow carefully. Okay, so you are going to see this. So anytime you launch your CorelDRAW, that folder again will be created. That is to say, automatically is backing up there. So this is how you reset your environment. You discover that everything you design will come back here, showing that you've recently opened it. You can move ahead to create a new document and do your design. Look at your new document here. You can click on it. Anytime you open your CorelDRAW, your recently opened files will show. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, ask any question you want to ask, and I'll be there in the comment section to reply you. Thank you.